Hello, welcome to my Lab 7 tutorial. I have chosen the shoot 'em up game. This is the lab for Matthew Paik. As you can see, I have all my materials, my prefabs, my scripts, and my textures and my scene. So I'm going to play the game for you and show you what it does. So I can move my ship around, enemies are spawned, and I can shoot them with little projectiles. And every time I kill one, another one spawns. If I hit an enemy, then my shields are broken. If I hit it again, I die and the game resets. Alright, so how did I go about doing this? So, bounce check. Okay, so this is the script that basically constrains my ship to the screen, so it's not going off infinitely into space. And this only works for an orthographic main camera at 000. So basically it takes in like the camera's width and the height and uses that as like a border, right? And it has these 4 Boolean values, right? Off left, off up, off down, right? So basically if the screen goes off to the right, then it sets off right to true, right? So it's just a simple Boolean value. It's saying, hey, this ship is off the screen to the right, right? And if any of these are true, then this ship is not on screen, right? And so basically, if the ship is not on screen, then we force it back onto the screen. And this is just drawing the borders of the camera. So next is the enemy script. So here are some enemy stats, right? You know, speed, fire rate, health, score, and basically this property acts like a field. And let's so I have a move function, and basically what this does, it moves the enemy downwards as it spawns and then resets its position back to its spawn point. And yeah, and this one basically this destroys the enemy when it's hit with a projectile. And then right here, if the ship hits the bottom of the screen, it gets destroyed. And yep, and for the hero, so these are the stats of the player ship. And this is the shields, right? It has initially a value of 1. Let's see, so this controls the movement of the ship itself, right? So this allows it to move up and down, and this gives the ship a little bit of rotation when it's moved to just increase like the flow of the ship's movement. This makes it so the ship shoots when you press the space bar. So this is just a precaution saying, hey, if last trigger is the same as go, this collision is ignored. So basically, if 2 collisions happen at the same time by the same ship, then we just ignore that collision. So if we collide with an enemy ship, shield level is decremented and the enemy game object is destroyed. And if shield is less than 0, then our ship is destroyed. So this is our main, and in main, let's see, we set padding. So this is the thing that controls the ship spawn. So on startup, it makes 1 ship spawn every 2 seconds. This is the spawn enemy function. So basically, it has an array of enemy prefab ships, and it will pick a random ship to spawn from the prefab array randomly. And this is just if the enemy prefab has a bounce check script attached to it, then it reads the radius from bounce check. And yeah, this sets the initial position of the spawned enemy, and this will respawn an enemy after a set amount of time. After the ship is destroyed, this basically reloads the scene after a short delay, so after a set delay, then we reload the scene and reset the game after our ship is destroyed. This is the projectile script, so this is basically, so the projectile, is destroyed after it goes off screen. And then we have our shield script lastly, and yeah, so this one gets this gets our component from our material, and basically this causes the shield to rotate right here, and so this controls the rotation speed, and yeah, so I think this applies the texture to the ship, which I have attached. So this circle was a texture, and I attached it to the material, and yep, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.